we have decided to open 47 county offices and 16 regional offices. We have already identified all the 47 county offices across this country. And we say it because we want to decentralize the functions of the Secretariat. We will have regional offices. And I'm glad to announce that Nakuru is one of the regional offices that we shall be having in our Secretariat. This office, and I want to make it very clear to the membership of the UDA party, that this office is not affiliated to any member of UDA. This office was identified by the Secretariat. The rent will be paid by the Secretariat. The workers will be paid from the Secretariat, and therefore it will serve all the members of the Secretariat in a very neutral way. So I want to beseech all members of the UDA party in Nakuru County, feel free to access all services that will be offered in this office. We want to encourage all those leaders who are aspiring to be leaders to feel free and to feel comfortable that this office is not going to favor anybody. So if you are an elected leader, this office will serve you. If you are an aspiring leader, this office will serve you. We have insisted as a Secretariat that we are going to be as impartial as possible. We do not want to start favoring candidates. I have heard my good brother, the coordinator of Nakuru, saying that in 2027, the status quo will remain. I understood him, meaning that since UDA is the majority and is the dominant party in Nakuru, then the status quo will remain. That UDA will continue being the dominant party in Nakuru. So I want to urge all members to take advantage of this regional office. As you all know, we had planned that we shall have our grassroots elections on 9th December. But after deep interrogation and deliberation by the National Steering Committee, led by our party leader, His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto, we thought it wise to postpone the elections until April. And the reason why we postponed these elections is because, and I want to make it very clear, Karibu sana Mheshimiwa, welcome. Yeah, it's because we wanted all the members of UDA party to register and to participate in these grassroots elections. You all know that we exist within the Kenya Kwanza affiliate families. And we are in the process of negotiating and talking to our sister parties within Kenya Kwanza to fold up so that they join UDA party, so that we build one strong national party. And this is exactly what our good brothers from China did several years ago, and now they're enjoying political tranquility because of having one strong party in the name of the Communist Party of China. We want to emulate them. We want Kenya